having dinner, but whoa, that drone sunset, holy crap. Like, there are no words to describe how beautiful that is. We're so lucky to be able to see it from droney point of view, because we are a little blocked by trees, so we can't see it.
It's
getting dark. I think we need some light.
Lacey could then hear.
All right, we are Sunday. Happy 4th of July, July 4th. We're gonna break down camp.
We just had coffee and breakfast burritos, because we're those kind of camping people.
Yeah, you have to have that. All cleaned up. Time to go home.
All right, camping is all packed up and cleaned up, and so are we, and now it's time to yak. Well, we made it out kayaking. We're out on the Kayaking River today in Kelso. It's been a nice paddle so far. Some good wind. It's a little hot out, but we've got our water, some verses to keep us going.
Woo!
Back from our kayaking adventure. That was a big boom. We are in our backyard hanging out, waiting for the fireworks show to begin when it gets dark. Our neighborhood goes crazy on the 4th of July, and firework displays 360 degrees all around, which you will be able to see in a drone shot coming up here right about way to look, because they're everywhere. Happy 4th of July. We had a great weekend of hiking, camping, adventuring, kayaking. But now the weekend's done and it's time to relax. Hope you guys had a great 4th, and thanks for joining us on our PNW adventures. Night.
Oh, what a weekend. What a 4th of July. Thank you for joining us on this 4th of July on our PNW adventures. I'm going to sleep.